Assalamu alaikum viewer. I am Maulana Muhammad Imran Darwesh, member of Big Islamic Party of Pakistan, Jamiat Ulama Islam. Viewers, I would like to draw your attention to a very important issue, and that is the issue of government girls' school in our village. The school is located between Pagala and Dera villages. Before the school, the place was in the possession of Homeo Dr. Muhammad Iftikhar. The government spent a lot of money to build this school. Today, the school has become a ghost bungalow due to inattention of the government. The school gate has been stolen, the window has been broken, and school rooms are being used for drugs. So we request the government to start classes in the school and protect the government property from them. Thank you.